is part one of the IR response clickers. This is the student response clicker. This is the teacher's host remote, and this is the receiver. The student host remote and the receiver and the teacher's host remote have a transmission and receiving distance of 98 feet. Now the software uses Office, so PowerPoint, and I'm using software. Okay, let's have a look at the software. So you create your questions using PowerPoint. We've got a few templates. If you like them, we can email them to you. We'll send you the link for them to download. Okay, let's have a look at the software. Go into settings. Here you will set up your class, the teacher, and the subject, as I've done here, just by clicking the add button, like so. And you'll add the students. You can name the students or number them. I just number them because of ID. The clickers have got the stickers on them for the IDs. You finish, click OK. Again for the teacher, name the teacher or number the teacher, and the subject you just add again and number it or name it. Okay, let's have a look at the system. Many settings in here. You can change the video play settings for the these are the ones that I've set up myself. For incorrect, correct, and we've got more settings down here. These are the WAV files for, this is for normal question. You start the quiz. This is a buzzer question. Warning, wrong. And got a ding, start. As you can see, I've got a few of mine turned off. That's for my personal choice. And this is the buzzer question background music. Other settings are the color for the ID, show ID panel. Yellow for not answered, green for correct, red for incorrect. I've got the countdown timer turned off on mine because I've got my own one that I've set up instead of the system one. Okay, now let's have a look at the questions. As I said, you create them using PowerPoint. So we've got here the answer is B. So this is multiple interaction, meaning you can choose from the four here. So we've got normal quiz, that means everyone gets a chance to answer. Hand raise is the fastest player to buzz in, then the teacher chooses the correct answer by pressing downwards, upwards on the host remote. Random call is basically that chooses the student to answer the question, and if they don't answer they get it incorrect and then minus points. Rush game is the fastest player to buzz in, and then they press the finger button on the host remote, which is here, the finger button, and then they choose from A, B, C, D, E or F. Okay, so that's the buzzer question. So you can see I've got mine set mainly for normal. This one's a buzzer question. No, buzzer question again. Okay, we'll change this. I've got that set up wrong, so that one should be B. Let me just save it. So that's a normal question as well. You've got the mark. You can deduct. Set the time. Okay, next question. This is a response bar question. Mainly to like voting, see what the students like or they've chosen, what they prefer, voting. So there's no correct or incorrect answer. So I haven't got it set up for incorrect or correct. I've got it set up for a normal. It's the same for the next one, response bar question. It's a normal. So there's no correct or incorrect answer. Okay, this one is set up for E. So this is a incorrect or correct answer. This is the scoreboard that I've set up. You can use the standard Q10 one, or you can use the ones that I've created. So close this. I set mine up using Special Slide. It is very easy to do. We've got all the tutorials on this, how to do this, on the website. The student, points, and the time. I've also set one up for groups. I'll explain this. So I've put a couple of students in group 1 and 3 students in group 2. We'll go to settings and we'll go to the class, and this is the class we'll be using. Sorry, not that one, this one. So English. So I've got student 1 and 2 in group 1, student 3, 4 and 5 in group 2. Okay, I've been using these now for 3 years, and these are brilliant. I use these in classrooms. I also loan these out to teachers as well, who've been using them in the classrooms, and I think it's 3 years now. The batteries I replaced after 2 years, so yeah, quite a long time. Okay, so let's start. Press the start button up here. So choose the class that I set up, 5 students with group 1 and 2. Choose the teacher and the subject. Multiple interaction, because we've got buzzer questions and normal questions. Press the start. First question, press downwards on the host remote. Then press the play button. Now this is the ID panel with the 5 students. So when they've chosen, their ID number will change to blue. And they're finished, all blue. You can press stop on the host remote, or you can wait for the timer to finish. This is the one that I was talking about, my personal countdown timer. I'll just press stop. So we've got 1, 2 and 3 and 5 are incorrect, and 4 is correct. We can look at the details of this, pressing the details button on the host remote. Tells you in percentage as well. We can show the answer by pressing the F1 on the host remote, like so. And you can check the details pressing the F2 button. It shows you the correct answer, and student number 4 was correct. You can show the pie chart as well, pressing the button on the host remote. Shows you all the details. Okay, let's go to the next question. Press downwards on the host remote. Reveals the answer. Next question. It's a normal question. Everyone gets a chance to answer. Stop. Reveal the answer. Again, show the details. Show the answer. Check the details. Player number 3. Let's have a look at the scoreboard. This is the standard Q10 one. As you can see, student ID number 4 is winning because he's the quickest, or he or she is the quickest. Got correct 2. Let's go to the next question. Again, normal question. free again. Check the leaderboard. This is a buzzer question, so the fastest player to buzz in first. Let's press start. And here the music's changed. So I press the finger button on top. You can see they've got 8 seconds, 7 seconds to answer. So I'll go for B, which is incorrect. Next player can buzz in. Go for A, under. Check details, show the answer. Who's the winner? It's player 3 again. Pie chart. Leaderboard. Next question. It's a normal quiz. Everyone gets a chance to answer. Let's check the details. Show the answer. One more question. Check the details. Show the answer. F1. Well, student 4 and 2. This is the response bar questions. There's no incorrect or correct answer. This can be used for voting as well. Okay, so we'll go for A, E. So you can see the bars going up with the percentage as well. E, and go for F. Finished. Details. Pie chart. Back to columns. See who pressed what. All these details of every question is saved as well. You can print them out as well. Okay, let's go to the next question, another response bar question.